Assalamualaikum, hello beautiful family, how are you all today? Hope you're all okay. Welcome back to our channel, the PNF World. This is Yasmin. Today's video guys, I am going to show you how I clean my fridge. It's very simple and no stress. So hope you guys will enjoy this video until the end, so stay with me, and then I will show you until the end how I clean my fridge. And thank you very much for staying with me until the end guys. So stay with me and keep watching. So first thing we need to do is we are going to remove all the things inside from the fridge and freezer, and then we will start cleaning inside. So now it's empty guys, so you can see all the dirt now inside the fridge and freezer. So we are going to start to spray now the one I made for cleaning. It's just a water, warm water and the vinegar. So guys, I am only going to use the water and vinegar. I just mix with a little bit warm water and the vinegar inside, and then we are only going to use this sponge. If you remember, one day I had a video, I bought this sponge, so I am going to use today guys for just only for the fridge. So first thing we need to do is we are going to clean this first. We spray them. We are going to spray them all. So this one I already sprayed, so we are just going to wipe. Let's see if it's work. Yes, look, this is what I am talking about. And then the another one, where is it? Yes, that one. So I already sprayed it. Yes, so we are going to wipe all these things inside guys. So we are going to take off this glass as well guys, so that is easy for us to clean. So as you can see guys, I wipe all the dirty now, so they're all gone, and then now I will wipe out with the clothes, dry clothes. So I'm just gonna go and use this one guys. So guys, we are going to clean now the glass and then the baskets, and then we will return them inside the freezer. and then I'm going to dry it up now, and then I'm going to dry it now, and then I am going to put it back inside the freezer. And then the next one I am going to do is the fridge. Dahan-dahan lang, we can just we are going to clean this glass very slowly, guys, because you know, if we break, we are going to have a trouble. So now it's all clean, so we are going to put them back inside the freezer. Last year I planted tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, so I got too many, then I harvest them and then I put them inside the freezer, so still I got too many, guys, look at this. This is the one basket, I mean the drawer, so I will take it off all the things in here that I think we need to throw them. So there is a small there, and what is this is strawberries. And then there is some vegetable, I don't know what is vegetable in. And then some kebabs. So here you go, we need to throw this as well. We're going to throw this, and then we are going to clean it. We have some leftover kebabs and everything like that, so I will put them in one bag, guys. So that it's easy for me to remove from the freezer whenever I want to cook. So like this. This is the And then so guys, the rest of the food that like for example they are all half. I am going to put them in what is this, the freezer bags, so that it's easy for me to take it out from the freezer whenever I want to cook, like this guys. So I got this broccoli, half I cook half, then half of it I put inside the freezer with this bag, so that the next time I want to cook broccoli, then easy for me to see it. So like for example this mixed vegetables, I am going to put this one inside so that it's easy for me to see. So I am going to do that. Guys. Then I will see you in a bit after doing this. So guys, I did all in different plastics. As you can see, it's easy now for me to see whenever I want to check what I need to cook. So I just remove from there, and this plastic is really good guys. You can reuse them after using, so you can just separate the meat or vegetable in it so that they are not going to smell. From the fridge, so I am going to start as well to clean the fridge right now. I've done the I did the freezer, so this one is the next one I am going to start to clean it. And as you can see guys, I need to do so many things in there. So here you go. So we are going to spray this guys, spray, and then we can just wipe it. And then here we are going to final clean the second one. I remove all those dirty. So this is the second one I'm gonna spray. So now it's clean and shiny. So that's it, it's clean now. So we are going to clean the drawer as well. We're going to close first while we are cleaning the drawer. This is the one drawer. I will remove all the things inside. Some of the vegetables are already in the plastic, because you know whenever I do the shopping, the vegetables, some of the vegetables I do wash them and put them in the Ziploc like this. non-stick plastic. So the tips guys is like for example you using like this plastic, so when you finish you can, if it's dirty you can clean it and then reuse it again. Don't throw it, so that you can save some of money, pennies or something. Don't throw them, so you can reuse them again. So I am going to clean this as well. So guys, they're all clean. I did manage to rearrange and clean them through the things that is not necessary to put it back inside the freezer. So that's it guys, it's too clean now, and we are going to open as well the fridge. Let's see. So here you go guys. Sorry, wala tayong pagkain. I did clean all of it inside and rearrange it, and then again put it back, the whole things, the food and the drinks that we need to put it back inside the fridge. So that's how I clean my fridge guys. It's very simple and easy to clean guys. So I just use the warm water with vinegar, that's it, and I did spray inside the fridge, and then wipe it with the clean clothes. there is no special cleaning, guys, that I use. That's all, because you know I'm allergic with the things that we are using for cleaning. So okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you're new to this channel, guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment below, and let me know how did you find it, how I clean my fridge. A very simple way to clean it, no need to stress, and just remove all the things in it and spray whatever, anything you wish to spray, and then clean it up, and then put it back, all the things that you have, and then now it's all clean now and it's very tidy. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again to the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I will see you again to the next one. Bye.